Hi there again. Are you curious about the cost of teeth cleaning in Busan? Teeth cleaning in our office is 60,000 Korean won and an extra 20,000 Korean won if you want a dental x-ray along with your regular dental checkup. We will also provide your payment receipt in English, so you won't have any problem with your insurance reimbursement. Do you have Korean National Health Insurance? That's even better. Teeth cleaning is covered by Korean National Insurance once a year, so it will be very affordable. The total cost will be around 20,000 Korean won, include the panoramic x-ray for your regular dental checkup. Why would you have your teeth cleaned in our office? Of course, our English service is an obvious reason, but there is more. All the staff in our office are dental hygienists, so you can always have a professional teeth cleaning. One more reason is that we will educate you on how to properly brush. TBI, toothbrush instruction. Having your teeth professionally cleaned regularly along with your dental checkup is essential for your oral health. But the most important thing is properly brushing your teeth in your daily life. Brushing your teeth in right way is not complicated, but you need some proper knowledge to do it correctly. Would you like to have your teeth cleaned in our office? Then please call or message us to make your first appointment.